So about a year ago, we started this project here at Persian Barracks. We completely renovated the interior partition walls, and we also cut and repointed and did all the restoration on the exterior wall. And finally, after 6 months of a lot of preparation, engineering, a lot of work, not only on the behalf of Acronom, but also GC, Kokalakis, and also the Army Corps, we're installing the gargoyle today, which goes on the east corner of the building, which was missing for many years, probably back to 1950, and it was stored back in Massachusetts to date. Obviously, the Army wanted the building back into its original state, so they had us install a new gargoyle, which we are doing today. So after 6 months of preparation between the 3D video filming, also the engineering of getting this gargoyle not only fastened to the building, but actually manufactured, we all had a ton of work and preparation needed to be able to get it up here. Besides all of that, we also had to get a crane scheduled and set up, pins installed into the existing masonry building, and aligned perfectly with just 1/8 of an inch of space to be able to apply the epoxy needed to fasten those pins, 3/4 inch threaded rod to fasten that gargoyle into the building. Obviously, there's a lot of counterweight. The gargoyle is pretty much about 3 to 4 feet hanging off and out of that building. So we needed a counterweight, the pins, the extra engineering that was required not only by the Army Corps of Engineers, but also the stone fabricator, which was Corinthian, to be able to actually fasten the gargoyle in as much as possible to match the existing gargoyles around the clock tower, which are already up there, that were never removed, but are still existing. We're able to restore and bring to life a new product and a new building here at Persian Barracks, along with the up-and-coming Eisenhower to my left here. I just want to say a great thanks to letting us be a part of this project, not only to Kokalakis of General Contractor, but also the Army Corps of Engineers, to being able to actually do this project and be able to install this gargoyle for the United States of America at West Point, the Military Academy of the United States.